Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So, dear viewers, today we'll see the various areas where organizing can be found by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the areas are, we can see the example. Number one example is the Quran, the book which is revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we can find the Quran to be the most organized book a man can never imagine. Really, the Quran is composed of 114 chapters, subdivided into thousands of verses. So, how wonderfully the Quran narrates the charge sheet of Bani Israel and explain the replacement of the Ummah in Surah Al-Baqarah. How brilliantly the Quran narrated four stories in Surah Al-Kahf which talk of materialism. The Quran is actually divided into seven parts. The first part starts from Surah Fatiha, which is a Makki surah, and ends with Surah Al Ma'idah, which is a Madani surah. The second part starts with from Surah Al An'am, which is a Makki surah, and ends with Surah Al Tawbah, which is a Madani surah. And we can go on and till the seven parts. And when we analyze, we see that all the seven parts starts with Makki surah and ends with Madani surah. When we analyze all the seven parts of the start with Makki surah and end with Madani surah, there are just few examples to understand the Quran is well organized book. It's really a very well organized book, and the Quran was revealed during the span of 23 years, but the way it has been organized and placed is something so ponder over. Again, the second example we can see about the universe. The universe was created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we look at the universe, we would realize that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created it in the most organized manner without any error. He created the universe in such a way that no one could find any fault, weakness, or flaw in the way it has been organized. The galaxies, the stars, the planets, the sun, the moon, the mountains, the air, the water, the trees, the animals, birds, insects, etc., have been assigned with a given a specific task. They are performing it precisely. The universe has a perfectly organized system, we can see, and harmony among these myriad objects, right from the sky down to the earth, and that all objects are geared to innumerable and varied purposes. The organized system and harmony obtaining among these numerous objects have also been there all along for millions of years. Thus, to maintain balance in the universe, the functioning of all these elements are equally important. Observing the universe help us to understand how wonderfully Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has organized the universe. And next we can see human body. The third one is human body. When we observe the human body, it is one of the best creation and organized. It is created in the most organized manner. Firstly, the drop of sperm takes 9 months to get converted into a baby, and the entire process is well organized stage by stage. Secondly, the muscular system, circulatory system, digestive system, endocrine system, integumentary system, urinary system, lymphatic system, immune system, respiratory system, nervous system, reproductive system, and skeletal system. They all are created and are functioning in the most organized manner, which sets a practical example of organizing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has rightly said, we all show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves, until it becomes clear to them that is the truth. This is in chapter number 41, verse number 53. And next, the fourth part is Salah. Salah, we can see Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, stand in straight rows and do not differ among yourselves. This is a hadith of Muslim. The hadith is teaching us to be organized by standing a straight line while performing salah. The training of being well organized is given to the people 5 times in a day. The act of salah also teaches us to organize ourselves. It teaches us to pray on time. It teaches us to prioritize things. It teaches us to stand shoulder to shoulder. It teaches us to follow the leader. It teaches us to pray together, etc. The Salah is a tool that teaches the Muslims to organize every aspect of their lives the way they do it in Salah. So, if our Salah is good in an organized way, then our lifestyle is very good. We are following is good. Otherwise, our life, if the Salah is not good, our lifestyles cannot be good. So, hope we offer proper and salah in an organized manner. And this is it in the topic. And jazakallah khair. See you soon in next very good topic.